Okay, so about 2 days before my vacation ends, and I've stayed up pretty much all night watching YouTube videos and shit, mostly on metalwork. But I was watching a few lockpicking videos, and I found something out that I really don't like, but I kind of like it a little bit. Okay, I got up after watching YouTube videos for like 3 hours, and I found a pen. It's like $3 at Walmart for like a 5-packer. So, and of course I have a woman in my house, so I have a million of these laying around everywhere. I actually found one off the floor and just bent it into the shapes I need. This one wasn't on the floor, but yeah. That's off the pen. Just bend it into a tension wrench. And this is your pick. Just bend it into any shape you want. And show you what I can do now. I feel real secure. Door's locked. Door's unlocked. That's kind of a bad thing, but